Hey there and welcome. Today, we are going to learn a totally awesome math trick. It's going to make adding bigger numbers way easier and a lot faster. I promise, by the end of this, you'll feel like a math superhero. Okay, let's jump right in. So, take a look at this problem on the screen. 18 plus 27. Now, you could probably figure this out with a pencil and paper, but trying to do it in your head? That can feel a little tricky. But don't you worry, I'm about to show you a super strategy. I know, right? It looks a little complicated, but what if I told you there's a secret way to turn this tricky problem into a super easy one? A way that makes the numbers friendlier to work with? Well, guess what? There is. So here's our plan for today's math adventure. First, we'll learn the fun trick. Then I'll show you exactly how it works. After that, we'll practice one together. Then you'll get to try some all on your own. And finally, we'll check your amazing work. Sound good? Let's go! Okay, let's get into our fun math trick. The whole secret is really based on one simple idea. Adding to friendly numbers like 10, 20, 30, or 40 is just, well, it's way, way easier than adding to tricky numbers like 18 or 27. This right here shows our main goal. Just look at the two problems. Which one is easier to solve in your head? 18 plus 27 or 20 plus 25? Yeah, for pretty much everyone, 20 plus 25 is a piece of cake. And you want to know something cool? They both have the exact same answer. So our secret math mission today is to learn how to turn that harder-looking problem into this super easy one. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Welcome to the part where I show you how it's done. I'm going to walk you through every single step of this making tens strategy. All you have to do for now is just watch and see how it works. First things first, we need to learn one new word. The word is decompose. Now, I know it sounds kind of fancy, but all it really means is to break a number into smaller parts. See that example? We can decompose or break up the number 27 into two parts, a 2 and a 25. Why? Because 2 plus 25 equals 27. That's it. Simple. Okay, let's solve 18 plus 27 together step by step. We'll go nice and slow. Step 1, look at the number 18. It's really, really close to a friendly number, isn't it? It's super close to 20. Step 2, how many do we need to get from 18 all the way to 20? Yep, we just need 2. Step 3, so where do we get that 2 from? Well, we can borrow it from our other number, the 27. Step 4, this is where we use our new word. We decompose 27. We break it into two parts, the 2 that we need and whatever is left over, which is 25. Step 5, now for the magic trip. We take that 2 we borrowed and we give it to the 18, and poof, the 18 becomes a 20. So our new, much easier problem is 20 plus 25. And step 6, we can solve that one in a flash. 20 plus 25 equals 45, and that's our answer.
And there you have it. So 18 plus 27 is 45. See? We turned a tricky problem into an easy one and got the right answer. We totally did it.
So, does that make sense? And listen, it is perfectly okay if you're still a little confused. That was a lot of steps. If you need to, just go back a little bit in this explanation and watch that last part one more time. Go ahead, I'll be right here. All right, ready to keep going? It's time for us to try a problem together. As a team, you and me. Okay, here's our new problem, 38 plus 29. Let's use our making tens super strategy to solve this one together. Let's think through our steps. First question. Which number looks closer to a friendly number, 38 or 29? I'd say 38 is super close to 40. Okay, next. How much does 38 need to get to 40? It just needs 2. And where are we going to get that 2 from? That's right, we'll borrow it from the 29. So if we decompose 29, if we break it into the 2 we need and whatever's left over, what 2 parts do we get? We get a 2 and a 27. Perfect. Now for the magic part. What's our new, easy problem? Well, we give the 2 to the 38 to make 40, so our new problem is 40 plus 27. So, what's the final answer? It's 67. 40 plus 27 is 67. See how powerful this strategy is? That was awesome teamwork. You are doing so great. And now, it's time for you to try it all on your own. This is your chance to shine. It's your turn to be the math star. Okay, for this part, I need you to go grab a pencil and a piece of paper. I'm going to show you 2 problems on the next slide. I want you to pause this explanation and try to solve them using our making tens strategy. Don't worry about being perfect, just give it your best shot. Here are your two problems. Number 1 is 47 plus 29, and number 2 is 39 plus 35. Remember to use the making 10 strategy we just learned. Okay, go ahead and pause now and solve them. I'll be here when you get back.
Welcome back. I hope you had fun trying those problems. Now it's time to check your awesome work. Let's see how you did. Okay, first, let's just look at the final answers. For 47 plus 29, the correct answer is 76. And for 39 plus 35, the correct answer is 74. Did you get them right? If you did, that is fantastic. And if not, that is perfectly okay, because the most important part is trying, and we're about to go through them step by step right now.
Let's break down that first one, 47 plus 29. So 47 is pretty close to the friendly number 50. It needs 3 more to get there. So we borrow that 3 from the 29. We decompose 29 into a 3 and a 26. Then we give that 3 to the 47 to make 50. Our new easy problem is 50 plus 26, and the answer is 76.
Now for the second one, 39 plus 35. Oh, this one is super close. 39 only needs 1 to become 40, so we borrow that 1 from the 35, decomposing it into a 1 and a 34. We give the 1 to the 39, which makes 40. Our new problem is 40 plus 34, which equals 74.
Seriously, you did a great job trying those problems. Whether you got them right or wrong, the most important part is that you practiced. Every single time you practice, you are building a stronger, faster, superpowered math brain.
So now you have a new math superpower, the making 10 strategy. And my final question for you is this. What other tricky addition problems out there in the world do you think you can solve now? The possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for learning with me today.